Hey, what's up? This is Steven with NorCal Screen Print Supply. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about some of the tape that we carry at NorCal. This is a white blockout tape. This is a low adhesive, chemical resistant tape. Use it to apply around the edges of your screen to block out the ink from flowing through. This blue one is a little bit higher adhesive, and we recommend this one for use with screens that you would like to catalog. In other words, you want to hold onto the screen, use it down the road. This one has a little more adhesive, like I said, so when you reclaim the screen, you can keep the blue tape intact. And we have a couple screens here with tape already on it. So this is the blue tape around the edge here. So like I said, if you wanted to wash the ink off the screen and catalog the screen for later use, you use the blue tape on it. If you are just going to reclaim your screen and not catalog it for future use, we recommend the white tape. It's very economical and good value. It's 110 yards by 2 inches. We pretty much always have this in stock. Thanks for watching. This is Steven with NorCal Screen Print Supply. If you have any questions about this tape or any other product for screen printing, give us a call, 916-534-8337, or email us, info@NorCalSPS. And as always, check us out on the web at www.norcalsps. Thanks for watching.